Have you ever wondered why it's so expensive to repair Samsung phones?
The reason for this is that Samsung uses expensive, flexible OLED screens on their high-end cell phones, such as the Galaxy S series and the Samsung Note series. So instead of replacing the full OLED display screen, we can do a glass-only repair on average for about half the price. We're the only shop in San Diego that we can think of that offers this special repair. The reason why we can offer this special type of repair is that we have invested in expensive machines and skills that allows us to offer this glass-only repair. Now, there is a requirement in order to qualify for this repair. Number one is you cannot have any permanent display damage, as in bleeding black spots or bleeding colors in your screen. Our store is located directly right next door to Hooters restaurant in Mission Valley.